What's up, Raiders? I'm Marcus Schultze.
And I'm Audrey Harman. This week we have a homecoming recap, soccer, Powderpuff, and football highlights, homecoming announcements, and a new Raider sports update.
All that and more this week on RJTV.
Homecoming week was a huge success. Thanks to everyone for dressing up.
This was the best homecoming week ever. We really went all out.
Let's take a look at some of the best outfits of the week.
Awesome job, everyone. But homecoming week isn't over yet.
That's right. Get ready for the Pop LA today at 2.
Don't miss the carnival afterwards from 3 to 6 on Lauber Field to get hyped for the homecoming football game.
Saturday, 8:30 to 11, the homecoming dance will take place in the boys division gym.
If you don't already have your tickets, what are you doing?
Today is your last chance. Tickets are on sale downstairs in the PAC for $25.
Remember to bring your vaccination card if you're fully vaccinated or proof of a negative COVID test.
All RJ students and their guests must bring their school ID and their digital ticket.
Huge shout out to the servant leadership team for all their hard work organizing Spirit Week and homecoming.
Speaking of upcoming events, here's Sarah and Peyton with this week's Raider Sports Update.
Hey Raiders, I'm Peyton Tinsley.
And I'm Sarah Faestel.
First up, the varsity field hockey team played last night versus Kent and will play next Tuesday versus Cheyenne Mountain High School on Lauber Field at 5:30. Good luck, ladies.
Varsity softball plays today at 3:30 against Legend High School at Legend.
The cross-country team visited Kansas University for the Rim Rock Farms Invite.
Senior Kylie Martin placed third in the JV Gold Race. Awesome job, Kylie.
Shout out to the boys soccer team who competed in the Jesuit Classic.
Our head of videography, Audrey Harman, was there. Here are some highlights.
Thanks, Audrey. They play on Tuesday at 7 versus Mountain Vista High School at Lou Kellogg Stadium. Let's all come together to support our fellow Raiders.
Your boys tennis team, girls rugby, boys golf, and girls volleyball continue to excel in their seasons.
We have RJTV reporters working on the stories for all those teams, so be on the lookout for those in our upcoming episodes.
And last but not least, your Raider football team will take on Chaparral High School for this week's homecoming football game.
Here's a video from Audrey Harman to get us hyped for the game.
Thanks again, Audrey. I'm for sure going to be at the game.
Me too. Everyone's going to be there.
Back to you, Marcus and Audrey.
Thanks, Sarah and Peyton. I'm for sure showing up for the game tonight.
Me too. While we're on the topic of football, a huge shout out to everyone who participated in the Powderpuff Game last night. Awesome job, ladies and guy palms.
Hey Audrey, did you know that we have a STEM club who does 3D printing?
Yes, I did. Here's RJTV reporter Ryan Blue with the story.
Roll the clip.
Every Thursday at lunch in the BD Library Lab, you'll find the STEM Club learning the basics of 3D printing and creating objects that live in their imagination.
My freshman year, I kind of wanted to join STEM Club at first, but I was intimidated by the majority of it being boys, or like boy majority. And it was like intimidating at first, but since I'm a junior now, I'm like, I might as well because I'm going to graduate soon. And I'm like, it should be a fun experience, honestly, because I also want to figure out how to work the 3D printer. So
Junior AJ Castillo took 3D printing to a whole new level when he built a 4-foot rocket.
It was a ton of fun to make the project and spent a little bit of time doing the design, but once it started printing, it was a ton of fun to put it together and see it just come together from the ground up. It took about 7 days, 24/7, running both printers. And he said it cost about $60 to print the full rocket. With this club, is just like show up. Can find a STEM club member, can find Mr. Raymond in the library, and we're happy to help anybody who wants to start printing, anybody who has a model that they want to make, anybody who has a project they want to start, we're happy to help them.
This is Ryan Blue for RJTV.
Thanks, Ryan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to who?
The Society of Jesus, of course.
That's right. This week was the 481st birthday of the Jesuits.
Let's all be thankful today for the Jesuits, because without them, we wouldn't be here.
Many blessings to our RJ community as they celebrate this day.
That's all we have for this week.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.